Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you two main ways to create a table in Notion. The first way to create a table like this is to open a new page or a page you want to add the table to and use command/table. And you can click on table and you will create the table. Now, because we created an added table, we can still add stuff, text on the page. And the second way to create a table is to create a table database, which the easiest way would be to delete because you're going to lose everything anyway. And go to the middle and click on the three dots and click on table. And you will create a table with column. You can add different properties, but you cannot add text because this whole page is now a database. So hope this helps. Thank you.